Top 3 mistakes IELTS teachers make and how to fix them. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I want to share 3 common mistakes I see IELTS teachers make. And listen, I've made all of them myself, so this isn't about blame. It's about building better habits and giving our students what they actually need to succeed. Let's start with the big one, teaching to the test. You know what I'm talking about, templates, questions, drills, practicing part 1, part 2, part 3 in the exact order forever. Sure, structure matters, familiarity helps, but if all we're doing is drilling test tasks, we're not teaching communication, we're teaching choreography. IELTS isn't about checking boxes, it's about whether students can actually use language under pressure. So what can we do instead? Focus on real skills. Teach learners how to build ideas, not just memorize band 9 phrases. Do integrated tasks. Bring in authentic materials, real-world contexts, and teach the test. But don't reduce your students to test takers. You're building communicators. Hands up if you've ever bled red ink on a task 2 essay, or grammar, articles, spelling, word choice, every little thing marked and labeled like a science report. So what is the problem? Students aren't absorbing it. They glance at the corrections, not politely, and then repeat the same errors in the next draft. What to do instead? Focus your feedback. Pick 1 or 2 areas, use common codes, and this one is a game changer. Teach revision as a skill. Model how to rephrase, cut fluff, and improve coherence. Sometimes the best feedback is a question. So instead of saying wrong, try, how else could you say this more clearly? You're not just correcting writing, you're developing writers. Teaching speaking and writing without ever touching the band descriptor. I know they're dense, they read like someone lost the bet with a thesaurus, but they matter. I've seen teachers talk endlessly about fluency, but what they mean is the speed. Or focus only on vocabulary and ignore cohesion altogether. What to do instead? Unpack the descriptors with your students. Not in a boring, read this out loud way, but through samples, comparisons, and peer assessment. Get students rating sample responses. Let them justify their scores using actual criteria. And pro tip, do it with teachers. You'll be shocked how differently people interpret Band 7 grammar. So look, IELTS teaching is intense. It's tempting to grab a set of materials and run with them forever. But we're serious about students' progress and not just students' survival. We got to think beyond the test paper. Teach skills, not just tricks. Give feedback that trains independence. And please, please, treat the band descriptors like tools, not mysterious scrolls from a lost civilization. On this channel, I share practical ideas for language teachers, teacher trainers, and anyone navigating the messy, beautiful work of assessment, feedback, and real-world communication. So, if that sounds like your kind of conversation, then stick around. And tell me in the comments, what kind of teaching content would you like to see more of here? Would you like lesson walkthroughs, teaching tips, classroom activities, or something else? Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, feel free to like, subscribe, and share it with a fellow teacher who's still drowning in corrections. They'll thank you later, eventually.